Hello, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today, we're preparing a Visayan favorite. At ano yun? Eto, danggit. We're preparing this with sautéed onions and then we're going to fry this and serve it with either sunny-side up eggs or French omelette. So simulan na natin. First, let's fry our danggit. And then while we're preparing this, we'll be assembling our sauté, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Sarap pag juicy talaga yung tomatoes mo para yun yung pinaka-sauce natin. So we'll put about 4 or 5 small tomatoes. Okay, so we'll begin first with heating our oil, our skillet. We'll put this in medium heat. Okay. We don't want a very hot pan. Okay? Pag medyo mainit na siya, then pipituin na natin to. Yun itong danggit na to. Ang danggit grow in coastal areas, no? Sa may mga seagrass na maliliit. Yan, dyan talaga nabubuhay itong mga danggit. This is where they thrive. And danggit is very popular in the past, no, in Cebu. Ginagawa ito pampasalubong, or in most of Cebu, ito talaga yung star breakfast nila. Some in English they call this rabbit fish. They also call this as spine foot, no? So ito family ng mga samaral, family to ng mga kitong. So our skillet now is almost hot, and then ilalagay na natin itong danggit natin. Yan. So we'll cook a few. Yan. Sarap ng danggit, oh. You know when you're cooking it, no? Tapos medyo naluluto na siya. You can smell the aroma of the fish. Sarap. Especially mga good quality ng mga danggit. If you have to choose danggit, maganda yung hindi siya masyadong dry. Hindi siya overly dry. The best is yung mga danggit na mga 5 days old lang coming from sun drying it. Sarap. And then this one, perfect pasalubong to. So remember, when you cook danggit, do not cook it in high heat. Medium heat lang. Kasi pag masyadong masunog siya, mapait naman, no? Again, ayaw natin na mapait. Pag mapait ang buhay, hindi maganda, hindi masaya. Okay? Pati sa isda, hindi rin masarap pag mapait. Ang palaya lang ang mapait. So, this almost cooked. And what we'll do next is, lalagay mo na sa plate. And then we will saute our tomatoes. And then I cook the fish first. Para yung flavor ng fish nandun na pag ginawa natin yung saute natin of tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Let's check the other side. Kung maganda na ba yung pagka-brown niya. Ganda na. Perfect. Really nice. Okay, so let's keep this for a while. Let's turn on our heat. Okay. So, dito muna kayo. Unahin natin si onions. And then, yan. Skin it. So, pagputol ng onions natin, doesn't have to be too small. There you go. Yan lang. And then, so that's our onions. Let's hit our skillet. And then, while we are cooking our onions, ginagawa na rin natin yung tomatoes natin. Sabay-sabay na yan, nabilis lang yan. So, putol sa onions, and putol sa tomatoes. Paspas lang eh. So I'm ready with my tomatoes, and then I'll just crush my garlic. So let's put our tomatoes in. Wow! There you go. And then the garlic will follow. So we'll saute this until lumambot yung tomatoes natin. And then while doing that, it's nice to always have a clean chopping board. And then we'll crush our garlic. There you go. You know, last episode, well, episodes back, nagtanong ako, how do you take out the smell of garlic from your hands? And then, ang dami nag-comment, sabi niyo, when you touch garlic, and then gusto mo na siyang tanggalin yung amoy sa kamay mo, sabi niya, what you do is just when you wash your hands, rub your hand with a stainless steel sa water. True enough, nawala nga, oh. Ang galing, oh. Thank you so much for the tip. Gamit na gamit siya. Okay? So, rough cut lang yung mga ingredients natin for sauté. Because once you sauté them, they become very soft, no? Habang naluluto siya, nadudurog na rin siya. Then we'll put our garlic. Let's put in lots of garlic. Yeah. We'll put put a little crushed pepper. And a little salt. Some pepper. Nice. And then we'll put a little red pepper para medyo may konting bite, may konting anghang. Nice, there you go. And of course, a little salt. Hintayin na natin na maluto itong sauté natin. It smells so good. Sarap talaga ng smell ng ginisa. Ito talaga yung pinaka-foundation ng Filipino cooking. Sibuyas, bawang, kamatis. Sama din sa Bisaya, among tawag din lamas. Maayo ka magluto og lamas. Aron lami ang imong sudan. Lami kaayo oy. So we'll cook it a little more. And then we'll just let it sit for a while. We'll put in our danggit. Yan. So that the danggit will soak up all the goodness of tomato, the flavors of the onions and garlic. There you go. Siguro ito best to with I'm thinking whether we make fried eggs or we'll make omelette with this. Sarap nito. Kaya gusto nyo? Omelette, sige. Banatan natin with omelette yan. Let's turn this off. Yan. And then, we'll leave it here so that the fish can continuously soak up the sauté. Put it there on the side. Okay? So now, mag-prepare tayo ng omelette. Let's make 3 eggs with it. It's 1. It's 2. And there's 3 eggs. So, mamaya na siya lalagyan ng salt. And while we're doing that, let's heat up our skillet and get butter. So the key here is really to stir it well. Pag omelette, gusto mo talaga na, ang tawag dun sa English, binabati mo yung itlog na ganun. We'll try to make a very moist and very soft omelette, French omelette. So here it goes. Let's put a good amount of butter. Wow. Sarap kaya pag maraming butter ang omelette. So you don't want your skillet to be too hot, but you don't want to cook the egg too fast. Once you have it, just drop everything there. Dapat hindi siya mag-curd right away. And then the point will come na iwanan mo na lang siya doon. Okay. A little more. A little more. That's what's going to make it really moist. And then this time you can put in some salt. Then you can also put your pepper. There. And then later on we'll put parsley. So may parsley tayo dito. So this we'll use this for garnish. Okay. So now our egg is cooking. You can see, beautiful. See there. So just fold it in. And it's nice to use a good skillet. See, lambot, good. Just a spatula. See that? There you go. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And then, fold natin ito dito, other side. Then, just leave it there for a while. There you go. And then, let the slow heat cook the egg. So, while we're doing that, we'll prepare some parsley Let's use this to garnish our omelette. So now our egg is done. Let's turn it off. So i-plate na natin siya. Okay. Here we go. Let's plate it. First, we get our danggit. There. And then, put the sauté under. So that will be your bed for your omelette. Ganda. Look at that. And then, we'll put in our eggs. Our omelette. We'll put it on the side. So we'll put it here. There you go. Together with the danggit. So now, the best part always is trying it out. First, tikman natin yung sautéed danggit natin. It's crispy. Na-absorb na niya lahat nung taste ng sauté. And then we'll try our omelette. Check it out. It's so soft. It's good. It's so moist. But the best way to really eat this is to eat with rice. So put the danggit sa rice natin. There. And a piece of egg. There you go. And then the best is always with a spoon. Let's try it, guys. Champion! Lamig kayo. So there you go. Sautéed danggit and tomato with French omelette. Again, thank you so much for joining me here in Goma at home. And I hope to see you next week. If you have the time, if you have danggit in your place, try this in your own kitchen, okay? And always subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, and then click the notification bell, okay? So thank you again. Bye. I'll see you soon. Perfect.